one of the creatures escaped from the complex at Papoose Lake. It was called Site 5, Papoose Site 5, Alpha Site, they called it. And that's where they kept the creatures. There were a number of creatures there. I was never briefed in the exact number of creatures, but the one that escaped, I was involved with. I was on a search team trying to find this creature that had escaped.
What kind of creature was it? Do you know what it looked like or where it came from?
I know it came from someplace 10 light years away from Earth. I was briefed into that part of it. I was shown a picture of the creature. It was quite a hideous looking creature. It had a very large head, had a body that looked like a praying mantis.
Are these the Trantiloids you speak of?
Yes, Trantiloids. And this creature had no teeth, had a mouth, had 2 slots for nose, 2 openings for ears, and had gill-like glands on its face where it would suck in air, our air, so it could breathe earth air. But the most amazing thing about this creature was it didn't require food. It manufactured its own nourishment within its body. It had 2 sacs on each of its hips, and it would produce from internal organs these golf ball size nodules, and they would be inside the sacs. Mm-hmm. When the creature required nourishment, it would reach in and take a ball out of this nourishment and place it in its mouth. That's the only nourishment that these creatures needed. It did drink water, but there was no other food that it ate.
I've had some experience with beings like this, and we call it chemogenesis, and it's life from chemicals that they produce themselves. So they don't have to have, food like we do and extract, minerals and vitamins from it. It's very interesting.
Yeah, that's exactly what this was. They found out later.
Oh.
And so this creature, and also it was reverse jointed. The knees were behind the legs. It could maneuver in a number of different types of mannerisms. It also had this strange cape that was tucked up behind its head. And when it got scared or when it wanted to hide, it would pull this cape over its body, totally enclosing its body in this cape.
Is this a separate, garment from the body, or is it part of the body?
No, it's part of the body. It was an appendage from the body that was curled up behind its head. Not quite sure how it worked, but when it became scared or excited, it would pull it over its head and capitalize its body.